Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to work out another problem on Markowitz model. Let's start. See the question. The expected rates of return and the possibilities of their occurrence for alpha company and beta company scripts are given below. Scripts is nothing but shares or stocks. The expected rates of return and the possibility of their occurrence for alpha company. There are two companies, one is alpha and beta. Okay, the possibilities of their occurrence for alpha company and beta company scripts are given below. See, probability is given, return on alpha and return on beta is given. So probability, return on alpha and return on beta. So next 0.05, 0.20 probability, 0.50, 0.20 and 0.05. Then return on alpha -2, 9, 12, 15, 26. Return on beta -3, 6, 11, 14, 19. Okay, first question. Find out the expected rates of return for alpha and beta scripts. You need to calculate expected return for alpha company and beta company. Next question. If an investor invests equal proportion 0.50 and 0.50, if an investor invests equal proportion on both the scripts, in the sense both the stocks, what would be the return? It is nothing but portfolio return. Okay, proportion is equal, that is 0.50 and 0.50, 50%. Okay, if the proportion is changed to 25% and 75% and then 75% and 25%, what would be the expected rates of return? In the sense, here you need to change the proportion. Here you need to calculate portfolio return itself, but what you have to do, you need to change the proportion. In second question, you need you give proportion, equal proportion, right? That is 0.50 and 0.50. In third question, you need to change the proportion, that is 0.25 and 0.75. Another one 0.75 and 0.25. Total it should be 1. Is it clear? So let's work out. First question. Find out the expected rates of return for alpha and beta scripts. How do you calculate expected rate of return? Probability into return. Is it clear? Okay, clear? -2 into 0.05 -2 into 0.05 plus then 0.20 into 9 plus then 0.50 into 12, then plus 0.20 into 15, then 0.05 into 26. Is it clear? 9 into 0.20, 12 into 0.50, 15 into 0.20, 26 into 0.05. So answer is 12. 12% is the expected rate of return. That is for return on alpha script. Sorry, yeah, company alpha. Hope you're clear. It's very simple question actually. Okay, you calculated return on alpha script. Then you need to calculate return on beta stock, that is return into, that is -3 into 0.05 plus 6 into 0.20 plus 11 into 0.50 plus 14 into 0.20, 19 into 0.05. Like that, you have to calculate minus 3 into 0.05, then 6 into 0.2, then 11 into 0.5, 14 into 0.2, 19 into 0.05. Answer is 10.3%. Okay, clear? So first question you worked out. Next you need to calculate second one, that is if an investor invests equal proportion, if an investor invests equal proportion on both the scripts, in the sense both the stocks, what would be the return? It is nothing but portfolio return. You calculated expected return, you need to next you need to calculate portfolio return. So proportion is 0.50 and 0.50. Is it clear? Because it's equal proportion. Okay, if an investor invests equal proportion of 50%, then how do you calculate RP? What is the formula? RP is equal to R bar A into XA, right? R bar A, sorry. R bar A into XA plus R bar B into XP. Yeah, R bar A into XA plus R bar B into XP. This is the formula to calculate return of the portfolio. So here, say 0.5 and 0.5. See 0.5 and 0.5. This is nothing but proportion. Then 12 and 10.3. See 12 is the expected return of alpha and 10.3 is the expected return of beta. Is it clear? So you get 11.15 is the portfolio return, that is RP. Hope you're clear. And just repeat. See equal proportion in the sense 0.50, 0.50, that is the proportion. Then expected return into proportion. Okay, expected return of alpha, that is 12. Then whatever the expected return of beta, that is 10.3. 0.5 is the proportion for alpha and 0.5 proportion for beta. So answer is 11.15. Hope you understood. Next, third question. See the third question. If the proportion is changed to 25% and 75%. See, if the proportion, answer is, the formula is same here. Okay, actually small mistake is there. First you need to calculate this one. Okay, 25% alpha security and 75% beta security. Okay, 25% of alpha in the sense 0.25 and 0.75. 25% is 0.25, 75% in the sense 0.75. And return is same, expected return, that is 12 and 10.3. Answer is 10.725. That is in the case of 25% of alpha security and 75% of beta security. Another question, that is 75% of alpha security and 25% of beta security. So 75% is nothing but 0.75, 25% is nothing but 0.25. The expected return is same, 12 and 10.3. Answer is 11.575. This is return of the portfolio when proportion is changed to 25% and 75% and 75% and 25%. Hope you're clear. It's very simple. It may come for 10 marks. Hope you understood. In case of any doubts, you can clear your doubts during live session. Thank you.